Welcome to your my platform Gear Up Learning. Today I am talking about the app Bhashini. This Bhashini app is developed by Ministry of Electronics Government of India, and this app is very useful for converting and for talking in any other form of the languages, either in it is a Indian language, either it is a foreign language, or either it is a any other Indian languages, which is like a, if I can talk about the Manipuri, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, English, Hindi, anyone. So this app and this Bhasni app is very useful in Kumbh. Even you can heard about this news in Kumbh also. Due to this Bhasni app, lot of people are connecting with each other and talking with each other through this app. So now today I will explain you how to use this Bhasni app and how it is useful. I will show you one by one. So first I can talk about here one thing about the settings of this Bhasni app. So I can go in the settings and you can see in this Bhasni app settings lot of not that much of setting is there, but you can change your app language, like in which app and in which language you want to use your app. If you want to use in English, if you want to use in Hindi, if you wanted to use in Marathi, if you wanted to use in Bangla, Punjabi, Gujarati, any other Indian language, even though Sanskrit is also there, Mathili is also there, you can change your settings. Bhojpuri, Bodo, Santhali, Sindhi, Kashmiri, any language you can select it. And also you can change your voice assistant, like if you want voice as a male voice, if you want more voice as a female voice, so you can change it. So first I can show you with male voice, and in advanced setting it is also a real-time response. About how accurate it is also matter upon these things. So first I can show you the with male voice, and you can see one by one clearly. So with there is a one first option is the text option. See here, if you have anything, any text is there, you can directly copy and paste it here. Right now you can see there is no text found for copy, because I don't copy any text and all. Even though here this app is only copy and paste type of thing is there, you can directly copy and paste it here and you can directly convert it. So I will not talk that much about text, but very useful in this Bhasni app is Converse. Converse is, in my point of view, is the best way to connect with each other. Like if I know Hindi, if someone know Tamil, so if I can say anything in Hindi, I will show you guys. If I can say, if I change my language to Hindi, like I am from Uttar Pradesh, so my mother tongue is Hindi. So if I can say anything in Hindi, and if I want to convert anything in Tamil, because right now I am living in Tamil Nadu, so I can tell anyone to Tamil who don't know anything Hindi or either English, he also don't know. So if I can say anything in Hindi, like I can tap here. मेरा नाम हिमांशु सिंह है, मैं तमिलनाडु चेन्नई में रहता हूँ. You can see real time also they converted, but
என் பெயர் ஹிமான்ஷு சிங், நான் தமிழ்நாட்டின் சென்னையில் வசிக்கிறேன்.
You can see directly in real time also you can they can convert, because I changed to real time. So in real time what you are saying directly they can convert to Tamil also, but when you can stop telling, after that they can tell, you can also hear.
என் பெயர் ஹிமான்ஷு சிங், நான் தமிழ்நாட்டின் சென்னையில் வசிக்கிறேன்.
So this is Tamil. And now if some other guys is standing just beside of some other guys is standing who know Telugu, so there is no need to you have to say one by one to any other. You can directly change from here to like Telugu, so they can heard Telugu. You can tell to them, you can, sir,
నా పేరు హిమాంశు సింగ్, నేను తమిళనాడులోని చెన్నైలో నివసిస్తున్నాను.
You can see, even though you can change from Telugu to any other Indian languages, still this app is a beta version, and some languages also in beta version, so you can't found that much of Indian languages. Still total 11 Indian languages you can found it. Even one of them English is also there. If you want to convert this in Bangla, so you can see we can convert this in Bangla.
আমার নাম হিমাংশু সিং, আমি তামিলনাড়ুর চেন্নাইতে থাকি.
Same thing you wanted to change in English, so you can directly change in English if someone wanted to.
My name is Himanshu Singh. I live in Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
You can see, you can change to other beta language. Beta language means still they are in uh, uh, creation state, like they are working on that, they are continuously improving these languages. So after coming of this language also comes under the Indian languages thing, even though some more languages they will also develop in future. So some Bodo and Manipuri is there right now, but if you can also talk in some international language. We don't have that much choice in international languages, but few international languages which are very useful you can find it, like if I can talk about the French, so you can directly convert your voice from Hindi to French.
Aka, je m'appelle Himanshu Singh et je vis à Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Same you can convert to French directly to Spanish also, if someone is Spanish guy is there.
Acá mi nombre es Himanshu Singh. Vivo en Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
So you can see this app is how it's very useful. Even though this app is much useful, even though someone, if in front of you someone is speaking in any other language, so you can just change this language. Like if someone know only English, if I can give you example. So if someone know only English, and you want to know what he's saying in Hindi, like if a layman is there, maybe he don't know, he comes from any northern part, or if any Tamil guy is there, so he is saying in something in Tamil, so you can change to Tamil, or you can in front of them you can put like sir please tell anything, like that you can do. So that
తోడనా
he did this, I don't know, is I say something maybe that they catch some word in Tamil, so they directly convert it to Hindi. So in that way you can change, like if I can say anything in English, if anything in English, it directly, if someone know only English and you know Hindi, so you can say anything, like if I can say hi, how are you. Hi, how are you?
नमस्ते, आप कैसे हैं?
You can see actually I on their real time view. So in real time view you can also get a bottom in Hindi automatically while you are telling continuously, they are changing also. But even though you can change, if you don't want real time you can first tell, then they can tell you in other languages. If you want to change, same thing in if you want to say something someone in Tamil,
வணக்கம் எப்படி இருக்கிறீர்கள்
same thing you can do it like that. So in that way you can talk with others, you can connect with others. So in that way you go in anywhere in India. Right now only 11 languages is there, but definitely government will work on that, government will develop this work continuously and it will come in very good way. So direct voice is also there, you can directly tap it here if you want to English with Tamil. Hi, my name is Himanshu Singh, I am living in Chennai and I am working as an engineer. How are you? You can see this is another version. It also depend upon your internet and all.
வணக்கம் என் பெயர் இமான்சோ சிங் நான் சென்னையில் வசிக்கிறேன் நான் ஒரு பொறியாளராக வேலை செய்கிறேன் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க
Whatever you are saying in your word, that should be very must be clear. You can see I tell here my name is Himanshu Singh, but maybe my pronunciation is not that much good, so that's why they take Himanshu Singh. So on the basis of that they converted this in
வணக்கம்
Tamil.
என் பெயர் இமான்சோ சிங் நான் சென்னையில் வசிக்கிறேன் நான் ஒரு பொறியாளராக வேலை செய்கிறேன் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க
Eppadi irukkinga, this is the word actually we are using in Tamil, how are you. So that's why they connect. So this is very useful. Even though if some scene is there, some word is there, you can directly take a snap of the photo, you can directly take, I don't know how it will work, but maybe I can try to take anything just to check whether it will be working or not, because I am using first time. So in that way just try. Maybe here some English Hindi both combination word is also there, so this will not, yeah, you can see the language select is currently not supported. So you have to take picture very very clearly, and in that way you can directly take pictures. You have to upload pictures also from your app, and then you can directly translate your voices also. And some you can also browse it, like you can write it something, and you can generate web page in English, in Hindi, in anything. So in that way you can write it, like if I can write it Himansu and generate web page. So you can see that actually generally Himansu is not, there is no web pages there. So in that way we can't say any Himansu web page, but you can do like that. It is very very good. In my point of view, this covers the best form of this Bhashini app. Bhashini is the Sanskrit word. We need to take Bhasha. Bhasha is a language, and Bhashini, it's like how we can talk in different languages. So you can talk it with this, and this is very very useful in Kumbh. Very very useful in Kumbh, because Kumbh more than expecting more than 40 crore people will come and join and take holy bath in the Triveni Sangam and all. So there it is very very useful. So that's why through gear up learning, I am telling you, you can see my video, you can like my video, you can subscribe my video, and share with the others and who don't know about this Bhasni app, so they can very very useful, not only in Kumbh, but even though you are coming to any southern part of the India, like in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh. So you have to talk in Tamil, you have to talk in Telugu, you have to talk in Malayalam, Kannada, anyway, because anyway it's our Indian language. We need to learn, we need to explore all the Indian languages there. Maybe someone found this video is in the English. Why I make this video is in English? Because most of my friends also here in Tamil Nadu, Kannada, so they can also understand. So that's why, thank you from my side. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to others. Thank you to Gear Up Learning, and please up skills through Gear Up. Thank you.